Today, we're going to talk about something very personal and powerful, how we fight our fears every day just to improve our English.
Yes, in this video, we'll share how fear affects our learning, how to deal with it, and how to keep moving forward even when we feel stuck.
Altaf, let me start with a small confession. Every time I speak English in front of others, my heart beats so fast. I feel nervous, even scared. What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me or judge me? But still, I speak. I fight that fear. I fight it because I know that's the only way to improve.
You're not alone, Annie. I've gone through the same thing. I remember the first time I had to speak English in a meeting. My hands were shaking. My voice was breaking. But I told myself, you've learned this. You can do this. And even though it wasn't perfect, I did it. That's how I started to gain confidence.
You see, people think that only beginners feel afraid. But even people who've studied English for years still get scared when they speak. Fear doesn't go away completely, but the more we face it, the weaker it becomes.
Exactly. Fear is like a wall. But each time you speak, even if it's just one sentence, you're breaking a brick from that wall. One by one, you break it down. And one day you realize that wall is not so big anymore.
One thing that helps me fight my fear is reminding myself why I want to speak English. I want to connect with people. I want to explore the world, study new things, and maybe even help others. My dreams are bigger than my fears.
That's beautiful, Annie. Purpose is powerful. When your reason is strong, you can push through anything. My reason was simple at first. I wanted to understand movies, songs, and the internet. But now, it's deeper. I want to teach others and help them find their voice.
Sometimes we wait for the fear to disappear before we start speaking, but the truth is, the fear only goes away after we take action. If we wait, we'll wait forever. But if we speak, even with shaking voices, we grow.
Yes, fear fades when we face it. And remember, most people are not judging you. They are busy with their own lives. Many even respect you for trying. Making mistakes is part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes.
That's so true. I used to avoid speaking because I thought I had to be perfect. But now I focus on expressing myself, not on being perfect. English is not just grammar and vocabulary. It's communication. It's about connection.
Right. And think of every time you speak as a small win. Even if it's just asking someone, "How are you?" or ordering food in English, it counts. Celebrate that. Don't say, "It's nothing." It's something.
Another thing that helps is practice. I speak with myself in the mirror. I record my voice. I repeat phrases. It may sound silly, but it works. It builds courage slowly.
Great tip, Annie. I do something similar. I watch English videos and repeat the sentences. I speak with my friends in English even if we both make mistakes. We help each other. That support makes fear smaller.
Sometimes I write down my fears. For example, I'm afraid of forgetting words, or I'm afraid people will laugh. Then I ask myself, what if that really happens? Will the world end? No. So why fear it so much?
That's a smart way to face fear. Often our mind creates a big story, but in reality, it's not that bad. You forget a word? You can pause, think, or ask for help. People understand. The fear in your mind is bigger than the fear in real life.
And remember, every English speaker you admire once felt afraid too. Even the best speakers were once learners. They were once scared too, but they didn't stop. They kept going.
Yes, Annie. And I want to say something to our viewers now. Don't wait for fear to go. Walk with it. Speak with it. Live with it. And slowly you'll see it starts walking behind you instead of in front of you.
Beautifully said, Altaf. I want to say one last thing. I still feel fear, but I've learned to talk to it. I say, thank you for trying to protect me, but I'm still going to speak. That's how I take my power back.
That's powerful. Viewers, remember this. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's speaking despite the fear. You're stronger than you think. You're braver than you feel. And every word you speak brings you closer to fluency.
So today, we talked about fighting fear. Real fear. The fear that stops us from speaking English.
We shared our personal experiences, tips, and strategies to overcome fear step by step.
We learned that it's okay to be scared, but it's not okay to give up.
Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep fighting your fears one sentence at a time.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf.
We'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.